Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to learn how to calculate the area of a segment. This is the region bounded by a chord and an arc in a circle. It might look tricky, but the logic is actually quite simple once you see the shapes involved. First, let's identify the parts. A chord is a line connecting 2 points on a circle. An arc is the curve connecting those same points. The area trapped between them is called the segment. In this diagram, the blue shaded region is what we want to calculate. Here is the big idea. We cannot calculate the segment directly with a simple formula. Instead, we use subtraction. Think of the sector as a slice of pizza. If we cut off the triangular part at the center, we are left with the crust, which is our segment. So, segment area equals sector area minus triangle area. Step 1 is to find the area of the entire sector. The formula is theta divided by 360 multiplied by pi times radius squared. This fraction represents the portion of the full circle we are dealing with. Step 2 is to find the area of the triangle we need to remove. The general formula is 1/2 times radius squared times the sine of theta. This works for any angle, whether it is acute or obtuse. Putting it all together, we get this master formula. The first part calculates the full slice, and the second part subtracts the triangle. Make sure your calculator is set to degrees mode if your angle is given in degrees. Let's try a practical example. We have a circle with a radius of 10 centimeters. The central angle is 90 degrees. We need to find the area of the shaded minor segment. First, we calculate the sector area. We plug in 90 degrees for theta and 10 for the radius. 90 over 360 simplifies to 1/4. So we take 1/4 of the full circle area, which gives us approximately 78.54 square centimeters. Next, we calculate the triangle area. We use the formula 0.5 times 10 squared times sine of 90. Since the sine of 90 degrees is exactly 1, this becomes 1/2 of 100, which is 50 square centimeters. Finally, we subtract the triangle from the sector. 78.54 minus 50 gives us a final answer of 28.54 square centimeters. To wrap up, remember the visual strategy. It is the slice minus the triangle. Use the combined formula, watch your calculator units, and you will get the right answer every time. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.